want him
Come here, David.
chew off the hair.
Come here.
Oh,
Come on. There you go. Come here. Come on.
See if you can touch my feet. Okay.
Come here.
Come on.
Yay, David. Come on. Here he comes. Here he comes.
He's crawling.
Scooting on his.
Come on. Come on, bud.
Don't push him, Megan.
Come on. Ghost. Come on,
Come
bud.
here. Come
Come
here.
on.
He's sitting on one of his legs. Say hi.
Hey. Hey. Crawl.
Two.
He did it! Yay, David! Woo!
Let me see if I can did it. Want me to see?